Hello, my name is Filliep Lament. I'm here at the kitchen in the downtown Edmonton library, and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about cast iron pans and seasoning them. Cast iron pans, when you buy them, they usually come with a foundry seasoning on them, but I recommend doing another coat or two of that. To do so, I take a bit of my favorite oil. Here I have canola. Dampen a paper towel with that and apply that on the interior evenly. Kind of like so. At which point I'll inverse it onto a sheet pan, put it in a 400-degree oven for 1 hour, turn the oven off, let it cool in the oven, and repeat the whole process another 1 or 2 times. The reason you want to do this is to create a non-stick surface on your pan so you can do anything you would in a Teflon pan, and it also protects the pan from any rust as it is just cast iron. Yeah, and if you don't have one, I recommend you go get a cast iron pan. They're really cheap and they'll last you a lifetime.